One of the prevailing problems for farmers today is the damage they face due to animals, be it microbes, pests, insects or large animals like monkeys or elephants. We have decided to tackle this problem and come up with a solution for the same. Thus, our topic is to reduce damage caused by animals on crops and thus improve the productivity of the farmers. Animals can be classified as micro or macro. We are going to focus on the damage due to macro animals. As you can see, the damage faced by the farmers due to macro animals is very high, and this greatly reduces their productivity. Rats have been a major reason for the problem in many places across the globe. Finding a solution to the damage caused by macro animals is a relatively unexplored area. Moreover, we can think of sustainable solutions which are also cheap and robust. Moving towards sustainability is very important in the present times. After our research and survey, we found that the farmers in the Dari village in Himachal Pradesh face a lot of problems due to macro animals. Their productivity has reduced by over 40%. The people had started killing these animals, and thus we needed a better solution. Nilgai, wild boars and monkeys are the main problems. We have come up with 3 solutions. The first one is bioacoustics. Bioacoustics is natural sounds used by animals to communicate alarm and distress amongst themselves. Thus, these frequencies can be used to drive the animals away without causing any harm to them. High towers or any airborne devices like drones and airships can be used for this purpose. Another solution, which is currently being used, is natural repellents. Egg yolk acts as a very good natural repellent. The odor repels the animals. This is a cheap and eco-friendly solution, but requires a lot of manual work. Another natural solution is using beehives in the fences. The sound of the bees repels the elephants from the fields. Our third solution is using chemical repellents, which are synthesized form of natural repellents. We chose to work on the first solution we proposed, bioacoustics. These are long-range frequency devices. These are used to emit sounds of required frequencies, with enough amplitude to travel long distances. These devices can be installed on high-frequency emitting towers, which can be installed in strategic predetermined locations in the field. From research, we can find the frequency of the sound at any space coordinate. This will help us decide the location of the towers. We have worked on airborne devices to solve this problem. Airships and drones are examples of the same. Drones would require a lot of manual work, whereas airships will not. We have thus decided to work on these. Airships would be cheap, low maintenance, effective, robust, and would require very little manual work. Here is a summary of our proposed solution. Our mission is to create relocatable platform for deterring animals for crop protection. These will be powered via onboard batteries. User operability, variable altitude depending upon the crop height, and the specified to be deterred. The maintenance would be annual, with low-cost replicable or repairable parts. This is a rough model we created on CAD. Helikites are steady platforms which will be stabilized due to the effects of wind and the helium in the airships. To increase the static stability of the airship to perturbations due to gusts, and to ensure that the aerostat is stable, we require some sort of an appendage. We considered a few of these stabilizing elements and zeroed in on a kite which is a triangular sheep shaped like an inverted delta wing attached to the belly of the balloon. The winch will be powered by an electric motor, designed such that it can change the altitude as required. Owing to the ease of this solution, we chose it as our final solution. One of the prevailing problems for farmers